I'm Nathan Knotts. I'm here at the Chevron Lubricants Richmond Technology Center. I'm the current portfolio architect for industrial oils, greases, and natural gas engine oils. So one of the things that the Vartech ISC actually does is how it goes against the varnish and actually slowly brings it into the fluid. And therefore it doesn't have huge flakes of particles or huge gooey materials that then can gunk up things downstream. So we do think about this because as a system is being cleaned, you don't want to have to shut down your system or equipment to deal with filter plugging or to do other things. And even though this setup looks very simple or basic in its elements, it actually comes down to kind of the four principles that we look at when we're screening system cleaners or how varnish forms in the system, which is around flow, temperature, chemistry, and duration. And that's something that we can duplicate here in just this basic beaker test with the circulation of the oil. We can look at different chemistries, we can look at the different products, and we can obviously look at the different coupon with the varnish on it. So here within this test that we're doing, we're going to go ahead and set up a demonstration for you guys. It does take our synthetic varnish that we have on that coupon, as you can see, to do this. And this is just one of the things. And so as we put this in here, we have 2 hydraulic fluids, and then different cleaners, and they're at the same treat rate, same temperatures, and rotational speed of the stir bar. And so therefore they're under the same conditions, and we can look at the effectiveness now of how well in the 2-hour period that we run this test of how much varnish is actually then removed from these coupons. This is about the typical end of this test where we have set the bar to know that a fluid is pretty effective, or the cleaner is effective within this range. And here you can see the varnish that was outside is still present, but you can see the removal of all of the varnish from that coupon. And you can also see that there's not large particles or anything gooey floating around in the fluid. So again, we can see how well the Vartech ISC has gone after that varnish on the surface and pulled it in and dispersed it within the fluid. So we'll go ahead and put that one back, and now we will check the other system cleaner. Been under the same conditions, same duration, and you can see all here that again, this system cleaner has not effectively removed that varnish within this time period. You know, due to the differences in the chemistries between the two or how the formulations were developed, you can see that they are not doing the same application, right? You can see here, this is why we like to do this type of work and to show and demonstrate the effectiveness that you can see in different cleaners.